Perfect. Okay, everyone, let's move into the main part of today's episode. We are going to walk through a small house together, room by room.
Think of it like a tour, a house tour, in English, with your friends Anna and Mike. Let's start at the beginning, the front door.
You walk up to my little house. The first thing you see is the front door.
The front door, the main door of the house.
My front door is dark blue.
Nice. And near the door?
I have a doormat. You wipe your shoes before entering.
A doormat. Often it says welcome or home sweet home.
Home sweet home means I love my home.
Say it, home sweet home.
Inside, there is a small hallway.
A hallway connects rooms.
I have a hook on the wall for my coat.
A hook is for hanging things.
And a shoe shelf. I take off my shoes.
Good habit.
Welcome to the living room.
The living room is for relaxing.
I have a small sofa.
Sofa equals couch, same meaning.
In front, a coffee table.
A low table for drinks and books.
And yes, a TV.
Of course,
I also have a bookshelf
a place for books.
and a lamp for soft light.
Softer than ceiling light.
One big window brings natural light
Natural light equals light from the sun.
and a plant on the windowsill.
Makes the room feel alive.
Next, the kitchen.
The kitchen is where you cook.
First, the stove.
And the oven.
The fridge keeps food cold.
And the freezer keeps things frozen.
The sink is for washing.
I wash dishes by hand.
Or use a dishwasher.
I have a counter.
A flat surface for preparing food. And a toaster.
For making toast.
Also, cupboards and drawers.
For storage.
Now, the bedroom.
My favorite place to rest.
The bed is the most important.
With a mattress, pillow, and duvet.
And sheets.
I have a wardrobe for clothes.
Or a closet.
A chest of drawers, too.
For folded clothes.
A mirror on top.
And a bedside table.
With a lamp and phone.
Curtains for blocking light.
Or blinds.
Finally, the bathroom.
It has a toilet.
And toilet paper.
A sink for washing hands.
And brushing teeth.
A mirror above it.
And a cabinet.
A shower or bathtub.
And a towel to dry yourself.
Don't forget shampoo and soap.
And a bath mat for safety. Now, vocabulary time.
Furniture, all the items in a room.
Cozy, warm and comfortable.
Natural light, sunlight.
Storage, space for things.
Counter, kitchen surface.
Appliance, machines like fridge.
Rent, pay to live.
Own, it's yours. Practice sentences.
My house has a kitchen.
In the living room, there is a sofa.
I cook in the kitchen.
My bedroom is cozy.
There is a lamp next to the bed.
Questions.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
How many rooms?
How many rooms?
What is your favorite room?
Role play time.
Hello, I'm looking for a house.
Welcome. This house is for rent.
Nice living room.
Thank you. Lots of natural light.
Does it have a fridge?
Yes.
Bedroom?
Right here.
I like it.
Rent is affordable.
I want to rent it.
Listening practice summary.
Sophie lives in a small house.
4 rooms.
Favorite room, living room.
Sofa is green.
No dishwasher.
She reads before sleep.
Adjectives.
Bright, dark, spacious, small, clean, messy.
Colors.
White, blue, green, yellow.
Verbs.
Sleep, cook, eat, read, clean, relax.
Turn on, turn off.
Daily routine example.
Wake up, open curtains.
Take a shower.
Eat breakfast.
Relax in the evening.
Final recap.
We learned rooms, objects, verbs, and adjectives.
You can now describe your home in English.
Keep practicing.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe.
Leave a comment about your home.
Repeat after us.
I am learning English every day.
I am getting better.
I can talk about my home.
I am a Start Speak English learner.
From Mike,
And Anna,
see you next time.
goodbye.